It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance. Come along with me on this quick tour of a weatherboard house that we are painting in Northcote. The house is about 100 years old and we've been requested to give it a freshen up. Most of the boards are in very good condition. There are some boards that are a little unusual that we've never seen before, but some of these boards are very rotten and they need replacement, and that's what we're going to do. Once we've replaced all the rotten boards, all the rest of the boards will get a sand and they'll get prepared for the next 2 coats of paint. And usually sanding reveals some imperfections that we need to attend to, like flaking paint. And once all of that stuff is done, once all the preparation is done, then the house is ready for painting. The front fence needs a few repairs as well, so we're attending to those by removing some faulty handrails. And once the handrails are repaired and put back on, then the fence will get 2 coats. If you're a person who has a weatherboard home and you would like to get a quote, please call Bill on 0403 162 374.